Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. In today's video, I am going to make a tea light holder. Material used were a plastic container like this for the lid. I am oiling back side of the container. I am using wall putty, taking 10 tablespoons of wall putty with 4 tablespoons of water. Check the consistency of putty. It should not be sticky and we have to knead until it became a smooth dough. Keep the dough in the plastic sheet and roll it using rolling pin. Place the rolled dough on the oil container. Take a container to mark a circle and cut the excess dough. Use a knife to cut the excess dough. Mark another circle. I am using tape for the circle. Marking one more circle with knife. Using teardrop cutter for the design, you can use any shape. Using pen cap and refill for the design. For the lid holder, make a flat circle like this, then a triangle shape, then again a bead shape and place upon it. Now for the bottom part, I am using a glass bowl and covering it with aluminium foil. After covering, I am placing the wall putty dough upon that. Smooth the dough with water. Following the same method as I did for the lid, marking circles on the dough which make easy to give further design. Using knife for the circle. Using pen cap for circle design and simultaneously removing the excess dough. Using I-shape cutter for this design. These all are homemade cutters I made using Pepsi tin can bottle. You can even use pen cap, refill, etc. for small designs like this. I place this eye pin in both sides of the container when the dough is wet. You can see the eye pin in the tea light holder. I am going to give a handle to the container, so that's why I insert the pin. I pasted the holder and the lid of the container with MSEAL. You can see the difference. Using aluminum wire for the handle, just turn the wire and make a U shape and then turn the edges anti-clockwise in both directions. Acrylic black color for coloring. Using 3D outliner to give an embossed look. You can skip this step if you want. After drying for 2 hours, I am using black color. Using Fevicryl gold color. To cover aluminum wire, I am using MSEAL. Combine both components in the pack and make a wire shape like this and place the MSEAL by rotating it on the aluminum wire. Just to enhance the look of the tea light holder, I give a coat of acrylic antique gold. Tell me through comment, is it not look like a brass tea light holder? If you like my video, please do comment. By your comment only, I can understand about my videos. Give your suggestions. Share these videos to your family and friend. I personally like the look of the tea light holder. I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. You can even use it as a smoke diffuser. Okay friends, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.